model, 2018 Nissan Nv200 Acenta Dci ULEZ compliant spares OR repairs open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148,400. MOT, 6 April 2024. Engine, 1461 cc K9 bhp, E6A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very simple easy fix for someone who knows what they are doing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119